ChatGPT is a chatbot designed to engage in natural, human-like conversations with users. It was developed by OpenAI, a leading research organization in the field of artificial intelligence. At its core, ChatGPT is powered by a state-of-the-art language processing system known as GPT, or Generative Pre-training Transformer. This system allows ChatGPT to understand and generate human-like text by analyzing large amounts of data and learning to predict what words are likely to come next in a given context. So how does ChatGPT work? When you interact with it, you can ask it questions or have a conversation just like you would with a real person. ChatGPT will then generate a response based on its understanding of the conversation and its knowledge of the world. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to retain information and context from previous conversations. This means that it can remember what has been said before and use that information to better understand and respond to new questions or statements. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help people learn and communicate in a natural, human-like way. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and could have a wide range of applications, from education to customer service. Thank you for watching this video on ChatGPT. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about this exciting technology, be sure to leave a comment below and please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel.